Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are revisiting the Purinose Inhaler, a product flooding the internet with claims that it can eliminate parasite, boost focus, and transform your health. But it is legit or not? Let's find out. The ads link to Keanu Reeves and claim it contains ingredients like ivermectin and fenbenzidone, both real rumors, but mainly for animals. There is no FDA approval, no human clinical trials, and using these compounds without medical supervision can lead to serious side effects. They even fatigue a fake doctor, someone claimed to be Dr. Ben Carson, but there is no record of this person existing. It is a name drop scam tactic. Worst of all, the Purinos website uses classic pressure marketing like fake discount, stock running low alerts, and shady checkout flows. Here is the bottom line. Purinos inhaler is not trustworthy, and consult your doctor first. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.